Hey there everyone, I hope this finds you well. Andy Spoons here. So it's the holiday season right now and I'm heading away with my family to an area that's a little bit further away from home, and I still want to make sure that I'm bringing some carving materials and some tools. And so I wanted to just run through basically what I'm planning on bringing with me. Okay, now that I've emptied out this tool roll of tools that I don't think I'm going to use, basically all I'm going to put in here is what I plan on carving with for the next little while. I also have down here, I've got my axe and my tucker cam, and then a big garbage bag wrapped with all of my blanks. So all of the things that I'm going to be using, you know, all I need to do is track down a piece of firewood or something like that, or a pallet or something, just to kind of axe some things out, and then I can do the rest of the work with the knife. Axe, tucker cam, some pencils. I've also got my leather strop. I've already sharpened everything up, so I don't need to do more than stropping for the next 10 days. And then band-aids. I've got band-aids everywhere. I have a first aid kit in there as well. And I have band-aids in all of my bags because you never know. So first things first, let's have a look at smaller detail knives. So I might be doing a bit of coal rosing. This is, or chip carving. This is from Beelzeboo Crafts, Miguel. It's one of his small chip carving knives. I'm going to be using this, which is my Trott detail knife. For straight knives, I'm just going to take two. My matte white 4-inch Sloyd and my Tamarkin 80mm Sloyd. I know that I'm speaking interchangeably between millimeters and inches. It's just how they're sold depending on where you are. One's in Israel and one's in the States, so the measurements are slightly different. And then hooks, like I said, I have my large tucker cam. I am going to be a little bit opulent, I think. I'm gonna go a little bit over the top. You don't need all of this. To be very clear, all you need is one knife, one hook knife, and an axe, and you can make things work. I'm going to bring, this is what I use for faceting the back of the bowl. It's the opposite direction for me. It's a right-handed hook. So slide that one in, and then my matte white Monadnock hook, which I really love. I would say it's one of my most used tools. And then I've had a real soft spot for this hook lately. This is again from Beelzeboo Crafts, and it's his Fur, F-E-R model hook that I handled recently myself. I really, really love the handle. You can see I'm taking cues from my favorite hook knife, and this is one that I did myself. And I'm really starting to enjoy the shape of this hook and how everything feels, so I want to kind of make sure I'm still testing it. Oh, and then I'll put in a bunch of pencils. This is what I would call a very over-the-top travel kit. You don't need this at all. But as you can see, when it's all rolled up and out of the way, it's a pretty tidy little setup. You know, that's it. And then the wood. Now, because it has a lot of wood in it, it's not going to close properly. But as the days go on, it will. I've just got this kind of oversized carabiner that I'm going to put on there just to hold everything together. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that's given you some inspiration for what you might travel with. Like I said, I know that that is a lot of tools. I would love to hear what you think I should bring on a trip, or what you usually bring on trips when you're traveling and carving. If you like the videos, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and let me know what you would like to see more of down below in the comments. And thank you so much again. I hope this finds you well.